Now, nearly every e-commerce site has poor product category pages and poor product pages themselves. So let's take a closer look at that. Here on Athlete's Brew, you can see the category page is very bare. There's no information about the product or which product to buy. There's nothing that educates you about the product or helps you learn more about it whatsoever. It's very plain. It's just 3 products and that's it. Some irrelevant recent post on the right hand side and really not much to report. In contrast, if we look at a competitor's category page for matcha tea, you'll see they have a great intro, imagery, they're educating about their teas and why they're better, they're allowing you to learn more by linking to relevant content in the blog, they've got a nice infographic that helps you make the right buying decision, and then it goes into the list of products. You can see there is a night and day difference between this category page and the one on Athlete's Brew. So it's important that you take care of your category pages and add relevant content, not just to appease Google, but to also help the humans that are going to be clicking through these pages as well. Now, in my opinion, although this is a much better page, I would have put this infographic here at the bottom and maybe not even had it as an infographic, but actually had it as text with headers and subheaders and things like that. It's the only improvement I might make on this category page. But it's worlds apart from our target category page, and this is a kind of typical category page I see on many e-commerce sites, so make sure you're paying attention to that.